Hello, how to solve for x in this exponential equation. But before we start, let's remind ourselves on these power rules. A to the power b divided by a to the power c could be written as a to the power b minus c. That is 1. Then 2, a to the power m plus n is the same as a to the power m times a to the power n. So before we start, we will apply these two rules. We will apply this rule over here, and then we will apply this rule over here. We have 7 to the power x plus, like I said, this could be written as 7 to the power x divided by 7 to the power 1, which is still 7. Then plus, this one is the same as 7 to the power x times 7. We apply this rule over here, and this is equal to 2. We have 7 to the power x, 7 to the power x, 7 to the power x, so let's factor it. 7 to the power x times, here we are left with 1, plus, then this side we have 1 over 7, plus, here we are left with only 7, and this is equal to 2. Now let's pay attention to what is in the parentheses. We have 1 plus 7, which is 8. So we will have 8 plus 1 over 7. And this is the same as 8 whole number 1 over 7. And now let's change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 1 is 57. So you have 57 over 7. So everything in the parentheses is 57 over 7. So we will have 7 to the power x times 57 over 7 is equal to 2. Let's get rid of the fraction by multiplying 2 by 7. So we will multiply this side by 7 and then this side also by 7. And straight away we can see that this 7 will cancel this. We have 7 to the power x times 57 is equal to 14. Then from here we will divide each side by 57. So that this and this will go, we have 7 to the power x is equal to 14 over 57. Since x is an exponent here, we will introduce log on both sides of the equation. But note that log in base a of a is equal to 1. So if we take log in base 7 on both sides of the equation, we will get something like this, and it will be easier for us, right? So we will have log in base 7 of 7 to the power x is equal to log in base 7 of 14 over 57. Then from logarithm, the exponent now becomes the leading number, right? So we will have x log in base 7 of 7 is equal to log in base 7 of 14 over 57. And as we said here, this whole thing will give us 1. So we have x is equal to log in base 7 of 14 over 57. And approximately, x is equal to negative 0.7211510. So this is the value for x. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.